Remember when 3D printing operations were easy to manage because there was only one printer and demand was low? As adoption grows, companies try to add printers or attempt to stretch current tools to meet increasing demand, often without increasing labor. This can lead to complexities and inefficiencies. Enter GrabCAD Streamline Pro, the workflow and printer management software built by Stratasys for Stratasys printers. It empowers operators with tools to navigate increasing demand and scaling problems, putting them in full control. Whether you print prototypes, tools, or end-use parts, Streamline Pro helps all Stratasys customers scale their 3D printing operations. Streamline Pro integrates your Stratasys printers to optimize all your 3D printing processes and securely maximize productivity. Streamline Pro improves operator efficiency with simplified automated work order management for quicker 3D printing request handling, part delivery, and throughput. It also improves printer uptime and utilization with out-of-the-box advanced analytics and custom alerts. Streamline Pro also increases cybersecurity and reduces business interruptions by protecting the printer and IP against network vulnerabilities and unauthorized access. This solution simplifies the 3D printing software workflow by reducing disconnected tools and integrates Stratasys printers and software with business applications, thereby enabling higher efficiency and faster decision-making. Inefficiencies that occur when trying to keep up with increasing 3D printing demand can cost thousands annually. Streamline Pro solves those inefficiencies while paying for itself by saving time, automating processes, and maximizing utilization. It generates 4 times ROI per year with a 3-month payback. Your printers produce more parts daily with current resources, reducing the need for additional staff. Scale smarter, not harder. Grow your 3D printing production with GrabCAD Streamline Pro.